POV, I asked my husband to help me put the remaining food in the fridge.
Babe! Sweet, please come.
Yes, baby.
Baby, what's this?
What's what? Babe, I tried putting it, but it was not fitting. So I cover it like this. What's wrong with that?
This is how to put food inside fridge.
Of course, baby.
Because
It's fitting partially, baby. Can't you see?
God of Israel. It's fitting partially.
What's funny?
Guys, this is what happens when you ask your husband to help you put food inside the freezer. Hey, God.